Hey there, foodies and health enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a topic that's got everyone talking: protein. You've probably noticed the protein craze everywhere, from fancy yogurts to trendy snacks. But here's the thing: boosting your protein intake doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. I'm about to share some sneaky, clever ways to up your protein game without breaking a sweat. First, let's talk about why protein is so important. Think of it as your body's very own construction crew, building and repairing muscles, keeping your skin, hair, and nails healthy, and even producing those essential hormones and enzymes that keep your body running like a well-oiled machine. And here's a fun fact: protein helps you feel fuller for longer, which is a win-win for your energy levels and your waistline. Most people need a decent amount of protein daily, somewhere between 60 to 100 grams. Spreading that across your meals is key to keeping your energy levels stable and your hunger at bay. Aim for around 20 to 30 grams at main meals, and you're on the right track. Now, let's get to the fun part: the sneaky ways to boost your protein intake. These simple ingredient swaps and pantry staples will have you hitting those protein targets in no time. Egg whites: most of an egg's protein is found in the white, with around 3 to 4 grams in one large egg white. You can now find egg whites conveniently sold in bulk in many supermarket freezer sections. Add a couple to your scrambled eggs, frittatas, or even your morning porridge for an easy protein boost. Greek yogurt: half a cup of Greek yogurt packs a punch with 8 to 15 grams of protein, depending on the brand. That's roughly 2 to 3 times more than most milks. Swap milk for Greek yogurt on your cereal, blend it into a smoothie, or use it as a substitute for mayo or sour cream. It's a game changer on taco night. Nuts and seeds: hemp and pumpkin seeds are protein powerhouses, and peanuts, almonds, and pistachios offer around 6 to 7 grams per handful. Chia seeds are also a great option, providing about 4 grams in just 2 tablespoons. Sprinkle them on your cereal, yogurt, or salads, or spread some nut butter on your toast for an easy protein-rich snack. Cottage cheese: cottage cheese is packed with high-quality protein and can be easily incorporated into many dishes. Just a quarter cup adds 6 to 7 grams of protein. Mash it with avocado for a delicious toast topping, whisk it into your pancake batter, or stir it into pasta sauces and lasagna for a creamy, protein-rich twist. Nutritional yeast, also known as nooch, nutritional yeast adds a cheesy, savory flavor and is surprisingly rich in protein. It contains almost 50% protein by weight, making it one of the most protein-rich pantry staples. Sprinkle it over popcorn, pasta, or salads, or stir it into soups and sauces for an extra protein kick. Legumes: legumes are a nutrition powerhouse, offering a versatile, budget-friendly source of both protein and fiber. Soybeans, lentils, chickpeas, and kidney beans typically provide around 12 to 18 grams of protein per cooked cup. Add them to curries, soups, and salads, or keep canned varieties on hand for quick, protein-rich meals. Parmesan cheese: Parmesan is one of the most protein-rich cheeses, and its strong flavor means you only need a little to go a long way. Just a 10g sprinkle over pasta, soup, salad, or eggs can add around 3 to 4 grams of protein. Green peas: fresh or frozen, green peas are surprisingly protein-rich, with 1 cup providing around 8 to 9 grams. Toss them into stir-fries, soups, curries, and salads, or simply steam them as an easy, protein-packed side dish. Bone broth: unlike regular stock, bone broth retains more protein from the simmering bones and connective tissue, with around 7 to 10 grams per cup. Use it as a base for soups, or cook your rice or grains in it instead of water for an extra protein boost. Silken tofu: silken tofu is smooth, mild-flavored, and incredibly versatile. It blends seamlessly into pasta sauces instead of cream, works as a substitute for coconut milk in curries, and disappears nicely into smoothies, pancakes, and scrambled eggs. Just 100g adds around 5 to 6 grams of protein. So, there you have it. By making these simple ingredient swaps and additions, you can easily boost your protein intake without overhauling your diet. It's all about those small, meaningful changes that add up to big benefits for your health. Remember, protein is your body's best friend, and with these sneaky strategies, you'll be hitting those daily targets in no time. Stay tuned for more health and nutrition tips, and keep those taste buds happy and healthy.